Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting piece of tech, the high-definition 2.5-inch FPV quadcopter drone. This isn't just another small drone. It packs some serious features into its compact, lightweight frame. Measuring in at roughly 4.5 by 2.5 by 4.5 inches, it's designed to be ultra-portable, and its lightweight nature means it meets those crucial FAA standards, making it easier for adult pilots to get flying without excessive regulatory hurdles. One of the standout features is its video transmission system. It utilizes state-of-the-art O3 technology, promising crystal-clear visuals directly to your FPV goggles. This isn't the grainy feed of older systems. O3 delivers a high-definition, low-latency experience that truly enhances the immersive feeling of FPV flight and ensures you capture stunning footage. Seeing the world through this drone's camera is a completely different experience thanks to that advanced transmission. Under the hood, this quadcopter is powered by a highly efficient Taker GE435 AIO flight system, paired with powerful 14 4500 kV motors. This combination suggests a drone that's not only efficient with its battery, but also has plenty of punch for agile maneuvers and responsive control. The integrated all-in-one board simplifies the electronics package, contributing to the drone's lightweight design while providing robust performance for its size class. Navigation is another area where this drone shines, thanks to its integrated GPS module. This isn't always found on smaller FPV quads, and its inclusion here provides precision navigation capabilities. The system boasts rapid satellite acquisition, meaning it locks onto satellites quickly and reliably, enabling features like accurate position holding and potentially even return-to-home functionality, adding a significant layer of safety and convenience, especially when flying further out. For those looking to capture smooth video, the drone incorporates advanced anti-shake technology. This is achieved through a camera damping ball system, which helps absorb vibrations from the motors and frame, resulting in much smoother footage compared to a rigidly mounted camera. This is essential for anyone wanting to use the video feed for more than just flying, like recording cinematic clips. Constructed primarily from plastic and finished in black, the drone feels robust yet keeps the weight down. It comes ready with its camera included, making it a complete package for getting into high-definition FPV flying. It's clearly aimed at adult enthusiasts who appreciate advanced features like O3 video, GPS, and efficient power systems in a small, compliant form factor. This high-definition 2.5-inch FPV quadcopter drone seems like a compelling option for pilots seeking performance and clarity in a lightweight package.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.